For this homemade guacamole recipe, we're going to start off by mashing 2 ripe avocados in a large mixing bowl. Keep on mixing it until it gets to a nice chunky consistency. Next, we're going to add half of a chopped red onion and a couple chopped cherry tomatoes. Mix it all together, then add half a chopped clove of garlic, some chopped up jalapeno peppers, half a teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of paprika. You can adjust this based on how spicy you want your guacamole to be. Once you've nicely incorporated all the ingredients together, you can enjoy a fresh homemade guacamole. Next, we're going to start off our homemade salsa recipe. So we're going to start off this recipe by adding our chopped tomatoes and our chopped red onion into a large mixing bowl. Next, we're going to add a clove of minced garlic, 1 chopped green chili, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, and just a sprinkle of paprika. You can adjust how much you add based on how spicy you want your salsa to be. To add a little bit of a kick, instead of adding lemon juice, I add juice from the jalapeno bottle. If you want your sauce to be more like a paste instead of chunky, pour the mixture into a food blender and mix on low for half a minute. Enjoy our homemade salsa recipe.
The next recipe we're going to move on is the queso dip. We're going to start with a tablespoon of butter, next we're going to add half a clove of garlic, 1 cup of chopped onion. Cook it in medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add half a cup of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of milk, half a cup of vegan cheese, lastly, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add more salt if you have a bigger quantity of queso. And finally, we're going to end it with adding paprika. Mix it until it thickens and then pour it in a bowl. There you have it, your own queso dip.